Good morning and happy Wednesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Alrighty, friends. So we are no longer doing recitation, being that yesterday we completed it, right? So I will just go ahead and put our recitation away. Okay. All right, friends. So let's go ahead, and it is now time for morning meeting. So let's see who our student of the day will be today. All right, so let's go ahead and see. Yesterday, student of the day was Gwen. So let's see who today's student of the day is. Today's student of the day is Ariana Perez. Come on down, Ariana. And if Ariana was here, the very first thing Ariana would do is turn the clock to morning because we do not come to school at night. And then she would write her first and last name. But because Ariana isn't here, Mrs. Hara will write her first and last name for her. I'm going to write Ariana. Ariana Perez. All right. And then, of course, Mrs. Hara would give Ariana a student of the day sticker. And then finally, I would give Ariana the pointer and say, here you go, young lady. You are on. And Ariana would, hold on, let me get this. Hold on, guys, I gotta get it. And Ariana would say this whole thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? December. And this is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means that today is Wednesday. But before we say that it is Wednesday, let's go ahead and double check to see if we are correct. Here we go with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. Now, friends, look. It looks like we have a number day missing. All right, let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and finally 16. All right, now before we put the number 16 there, let's go ahead and do our ABCC pattern. Rectangle, triangle, circle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle, circle. All right. So, friends, look here. This is the number 16. And what two digits do you see? A 1 and a 6. Very, very good. So let's go ahead and place our 16 right there. And let's go ahead and help Ariana write today's date. Very, very first thing we have to write is the month, the date, and the year. Let's say that again. The month, the date, and the year. So let's go ahead and help Ariana with the letters in the month, beginning with capital D, E, C, E, M. Oh, do not forget that monkey tail. B, E, R, December. And then we're going to finger space. And what two digits are we going to write? A 1 and a 6. And a 1 and a 6 makes what number? Correct. 16 followed by comma number. Whoop, it is a space. And please tell us the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 0. All right, and let's go ahead and read today's date with Ariana. So here we go. Today's date is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 83 days, what would today be? If yesterday was 83 days, what would today be? Well, what comes after 83? 83, 80, 84. Well, let's see if we are correct. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw Mr. 10s and Mrs. 1s. You need to tell me when to stop. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, I will stop. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is all of my Mr. 10s. But now, Mrs. 1s. 81, 82, 83, 84. All right, so now let's go ahead. Oh, I dropped the Mr. 10. Let's go ahead and graph Mr. 10s and Mrs. 1s on our days in school graph. So really, really quickly, friends, are we going to write anything in our 100s column? How about in our 10s column? Yeah, so let's see what we have. All right, so 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 8. And then let's see how many Mrs. 1s. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. All right, 84. So now let's go ahead and see if our days in school tag matches our days in school graph. Do we have 8 Mr. 10s? How about 4 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 84. Wow, that sure is a whole lot of days, friends. All righty, it is now time for coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. The very, very first coin that we have in here is the penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by, correct again, by ones. And the second coin we have is a dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. And when we count dimes, we count them by, what do we count them by? Correct, tens. And which coin are we going to use first? Which coin? Why are we using the dime first? Why? Yeah, it's worth more. Correct again. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to drop my tens into the cup. When I switch coins, I will show you the coins so you know that we have to switch our counting. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 41 cents. So let's go ahead and write 41 cents in our coin cup. Okay. So let's write 41 cents. Okay. And do not forget our cent sign, friends. If you forget that cent sign, it will be incorrect. And Mrs. Harrell will have to mark it incorrect. And do I like to do that? No. So please remember your cent sign. Now let's go ahead and count our coins on our morning board to see if it matches our coin cup. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41 cents. So yes, we match our meeting board and our coin cup. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead, friends, and go ahead and do our counting. Let's do our counting strips. All right, and we're going to start with, let's start with fives. So here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And friends, do not forget that odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And look here, even numbers will have a 0, a 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, let's go ahead and count by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, cheerleaders, stand up. And remember, I need to see lots of energy. And don't forget that you need to jump for me because Mrs. Harrell can't jump yet. All right, so make sure that you jump for me. My poor leg feels like it weighs like 50 pounds. All right, so here we go. Cheerleaders, ready? Listos? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Who do we appreciate? Kindergartners, please jump. Yay, kindergartners, that was fantastic. Let's go ahead and do our coin song really quickly. All right, and please get your beautiful voices ready. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100. cents. Alrighty, friends. So in just a little bit, you're going to go ahead and take your end of the semester assessment. Okay. That assessment has a little bit of everything, things that we have learned so far. Okay. Do not get nervous. You know this stuff. Okay. All you have to do is listen to the directions that Mrs. Harrow is asking you to do. Okay. You have to be very, very careful in listening to what I'm saying. Sometimes, friends, if you're not listening fully, you can make a mistake because you weren't listening. Okay, so very, very important. Follow the directions. All of the things that are on there, it is no surprise. Everything there, we have done it. Okay, all right, so good luck. You got this. Make sure that your parents upload it today. Okay, and I will see you in Math Live. All right, friends, see you in a bit. Bye.